Hey there, digital marketers. It's Elizabeth Daniels from Joseph Studios. I'm a senior social media manager here, and I wanted to share with you an intriguing development in the social media sphere that you've probably heard about, getting a lot of buzz. It's called Threads. With over 150 million downloads and 100 million active users, Threads is shaping up to be a game changer. In this video, we're going to go over quickly how to download the Threads app, link to it in your Instagram account, and guide you through some of the cool features that you can use. Step 1. Navigate to your device's App Store or Google Play and search for Threads from Instagram. Click Install. Awesome! Step 2. Open Threads and hit login using your existing Instagram username and password. If you don't have an Instagram account, you'll need to make one first before you can use the Threads app. The beauty of that is that you log in with your Instagram account and it imports your profile, so you're not starting from scratch. The transition is really seamless. Step 3, it's time to explore Threads. You'll encounter a familiar but distinctive interface. See the navigation bar at the bottom with all these icons? These lead you to your feed, search function, new thread creation, account activity, and profile. You have a generous 500 characters for your posts. And that's not just text. You can add your favorite meme, a popular GIF, any other kind of media that you'd like to attach for a richer storytelling experience. Engaging with others is as simple as tapping below a thread to like, reply, repost, or even share it on your Instagram story. And a feature that's particularly noteworthy is Threads' focus on digital well-being. There's an option that reminds users to take frequent breaks. So there you have it, a condensed but comprehensive overview of Threads. While the app is still in its infancy, Threads offers a promising platform for increasing growth and online interaction. If you want to read more about it and get a step-by-step look into how you can use Threads, check out the link for our comprehensive guide at the link in the description.